In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use BCC in Outlook. If you want to send an email to multiple people without showing everyone's email address to all the recipients, the BCC feature is exactly what you need. BCC stands for Blind Carbon Copy, and it helps protect privacy by keeping those addresses hidden from everyone else on the message. It's especially useful for group emails, announcements, or any time you want to keep your contact list private and organized. To get started, open Outlook on your computer and go to the Mail section. This is where you'll be able to create and send a new email message. Once you're in Mail, click New Mail to open a blank message window. At first, you may only see the standard address fields, like to and possibly CC. To reveal the BCC field, click the BCC button. As soon as you do that, the BCC line will appear in the message window. This gives you a separate place to add recipients whose addresses you don't want visible to others. Now, enter the email address or addresses into the BCC field. Make sure you type them carefully so your message goes to the correct people. If you're sending to more than one person, Outlook will let you add multiple addresses in that same field. After that, write your message. Take a moment to make sure your subject line and email content are clear and appropriate for everyone receiving it. Since BCC is often used for group communication, it's a good idea to keep your message simple, professional, and easy to understand. Also remember that recipients in BCC will receive the email, but they won't be able to see who else got it through that field. Once you're done, click Send. Outlook will deliver your message, and the BCC recipients will receive it privately. One helpful tip to keep in mind is that BCC is different from the To field. The To field is usually for the main recipient, while BCC is for hidden recipients. If you want to protect email privacy, BCC is the better choice. It can also help prevent long reply all chains when sending updates to a large group, and that's all there is to it. Using BCC in Outlook is quick, simple, and a smart way to send emails more professionally while keeping recipient information private.